A college student is nearly pepper sprayed during a chaotic confrontation in a campus dorm.
No, you're about to get sprayed.
No,
Get down on the ground right now.
Leave me alone!
I can come in there.
Leave me alone, please!
And the arrest has since gone viral over what happened next.
He is having a breakdown.
Say! Just say the right pronoun!
This is Inside the Crime, presented by Law&Crime. I'm Elizabeth Millner. Yep, officers say this arrest escalated over the use of pronouns, to the point it led to this student facing 3 charges, one of which was a felony. It's February 5th, 2025. We're in Orlando, Florida, specifically at the downtown campus of the University of Central Florida. It's just after 5 p.m. when officers with the UCF Police Department respond to a reported disturbance at one of the university dorms.
What's the problem?
Why do you let those kids get away with this? They are not supposed to be here!
If you don't lower your voice, I am going to put handcuffs on you and I'm going to take you to a Baker Act facility. You lower your voice.
Try it.
Are you threatening me?
You're threatening me.
Are you threatening me?
I'm just...
Because I'm here right now to deal with a stolen vehicle. I ain't got time to hear you screaming and yelling.
I don't have time to constantly be abused.
We'll get OPD down here then, because I gotta work this stolen vehicle.
What do you mean, OPD?
Now, before we go any further, this is what officers wrote in their report. Upon arrival, I came in contact with Jarrett, Vick. Vick was yelling and being belligerent with Officer Dan Riley, causing a disruption in the main lobby of Union West when I approached. George Shane, a witness, stated that Vick was behaving in a violent manner, screaming and yelling at security officer with a clenched fist. This behavior was causing people to leave the area. Daniel Baldwin, a witness, stated that Vick was in a verbal confrontation and being belligerent with a group of juveniles before officers arrived on scene. While the report identifies the student as Jarrett Vick with the pronouns he, him, from what we know in the Bodycam video, Jarrett actually prefers going by Jaylee and uses the pronouns she, her. And when she was misgendered, well, everything escalated from there.
Can we get another unit to deal with Jaylee here? He is having a breakdown.
Say! Just say the right pronoun!
What'd you say?
7351.
Get down on the ground right now.
No!
You're about to get sprayed.
No,
Get
just
down on the ground right now.
Leave me alone!
I can come in there.
Leave me alone, please!
Okay, are you gonna calm down?
I'm getting my phone out. I have to
Okay,
film
I'm
this.
telling you. Are you gonna calm down?
I
You
will
don't charge a
calm
police officer.
down. I will calm.
Do you know what this is?
I
This
will
is
calm
OC
down
spray.
when you get the pepper spray out of my face.
Alpha 73
Leave me
University.
alone.
I have
Just please.
pepper spray
Please.
at this individual
Just
right
stop
now.
pointing the pepper spray at me. I will calm down if you do that.
Lower
Stop
your voice.
threatening me.
Yeah, lower your voice.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Do you want to get tased?
I want you to leave me alone!
Judge.
You have been particularly abusing me!
If you come,
You did it!
if you come towards me
You
one more time,
fooled me!
you are gonna.
And such abuse administrators!
I gotta deal
Don't
with
you
this story. I
remember?
gotta deal with this story.
Don't you remember?
Jaylee,
He's a-
focus on me, okay?
Execution 97. 13.
Okay?
Get away!
You don't tell me where to go.
Let me stop.
Cop!
Alpha 73 University.
Jaylee,
I want to be away from
No,
him.
it's too late now. It's too late now. He's gonna be taken away.
Say!
Jaylee, you need to stop. Stop.
It's taken.
Jaylee,
I just want to get away from him.
I understand that.
He needs to.
Say!
He.
Say! Stop misgendering me! Just say she!
Alpha 73.
Josh, can you please just tell them to use the right pronouns? Please! You know it's causing me a lot of distress.
The campus officers plan to take Jaylee into custody, but Jaylee doesn't go willingly.
I need you to bring it down here, though, okay?
Okay, so I'm gonna ask you very nicely. Put your stuff down. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Delta 70 to Riley and Rivera.
Not going to
your-
be arrested.
Put your stuff down.
Rivera.
No,
Put your hands behind your back.
no.
Okay, so
You just trying to get on
I'm
the
only
rally.
gonna ask you one more time. You can record all you want, but it's already beyond that point. We already tried.
You're stressing me out.
It doesn't matter.
I'm just asking you to
Yeah,
please stop
we,
stressing.
we already tried to help you. So.
No, you didn't.
Yes.
You came in with hostile intent.
Put your hands.
Be alone.
Get on the ground right now.
Don't
Get on the
hurt
ground.
me.
Get on the ground right now.
Don't
Get down.
hurt me.
Get down on the ground right now. Get him right this way.
Leave me alone.
Stop. Get down. Get down on the ground. Get down.
Yeah.
Get down.
Leave me alone. Help. Help me.
Get him down.
I hurt.
Get down. Get down. Get him down.
Let go. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back, please.
I can't.
No.
I'm right. I just wanted you to.
Come on, stop.
Josh, please. Josh. Josh, please. This is all a big misunderstanding.
I'm gonna spray him.
No, please don't say him. Her.
Okay, her. I'm gonna spray her.
Thank you.
Put your hand behind your back.
No.
Yes. I don't want to spray you.
On three,
Wait.
reference
One.
Give me your hand.
one resisting at you.
Can I? Is there any way I can?
No, give me your hand.
Please.
Give me your hand.
I just. Please. I can calm down if you just give me some space.
See what's gonna happen?
Emergency north for 988 reference
That hurts.
I just need
Put your hand behind your back.
I just
Put your
need
hand
space.
behind your back.
Put your hand
I
behind
need
your back.
space.
Give me your hand.
I just need
Give me
space,
your
please.
hand.
Put your hand.
Jaylee, give me your hand.
Okay, I'm gonna tase you if you don't cooperate. Taser.
Jaylee, give me. Jalen, it's gonna hurt, man. Just give me your hand. He's not gonna tase you if you give me your hand.
You're gonna arrest me.
No.
Give me your hand.
Yes, we need
Yes.
your hand.
I don't arrest.
Give me your hand.
You're gonna get it again this time.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Leave me alone.
Give me your hand.
Alone.
I'm gonna get this.
Give me your hand.
Please.
I got his legs. I got his legs.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Let go. Put your wrist. Relax him, okay? There you go.
We got him.
Let me go, Marcus.
Resistant.
And battering on Leo.
Bad. I had to tase him.
What was I supposed
I
to
tased
do?
him.
Comply! Now you're under arrest for battering on Leo.
Roll over. Roll over. Now get up.
Josh, please.
On your knee.
I'm trying.
Now stand up.
Can I have my phone? Ow, I can't get up.
You said you did taser, right?
Yes.
Her.
Yeah.
Her. Her. Josh,
You don't anyone know where the references?
Stun.
Dry stun.
Sit down. We're gonna have the fire department take a look at you.
Josh. That's a big misunderstanding.
You're good. Let's just take it to the car.
Put him in my patrol car.
Okay.
Wait.
You're gonna be all right.
Come on.
Oh,
Thanks, Josh.
I have my.
Officers arrested Jaylee and charged her with a misdemeanor of resisting an officer with violence, as well as a felony charge of battery on a law enforcement officer. According to her arrest report, Officer Riley had ordered Vick to place her hands behind her back and ordered her to be handcuffed. I attempted to secure Vick's left arm with hand restraints. At this time, Vick became violent by pulling away from Officer's attempt to control her. Once I placed a cuff on Vick's left arm, she pulled away, attempting to defeat both officers' control. At this time, Vick attempted to strike me with a closed fist. I took a step back with Officer Riley's assistance. We guided her to the wall. While she was pinned on the wall, Vick threw a kick, which struck my left knee. Vick then took another strike and grabbed my radio cord in an attempt to rip it off my vest.
Go get your belongings, alright?
Over Virginia headquarters, I'll be 10 over sugar over grade.
I hate you all. I hate you. You escalated this. You didn't have to pull out the pepper spray. You didn't have to continue to misgender me. You knew my buddies and you set them off.
Please step in.
Watch your head.
Do not push me.
Your camera's on the whole time and all that
Yeah.
stuff? Cool.
Yeah, mine was too.
Okay.
From the minute, I mean, I came in, I thought someone was fighting because he was going off on security.
That's all good.
I told him to calm down.
47 East Robinson, 47 East Robinson,
He
off
wouldn't?
Magnolia.
I told him that he was about to get arrested. He charged me like that without a pepper spray. And I said, you're about to get sprayed.
Subjects are having intercourse. Advise would like some
Go ahead.
trespass. There should be authorization for the property.
So, and then we still got to deal with this guy. Is Mancuso here?
I think he's gonna be. He's a king. I forgot who. It might be Mancuso.
So I got, that's when I got involved. I got a cuff on him. And when we got him against the elevator.
Wait. So when you had the spray out, or you said he
I did not
jumped at
spray
you?
him.
Okay.
Yeah. So when when I was trying to get him to calm down, is when he friggin' damn motioned towards me, and I said, "I'm gonna spray you."
Okay.
Then I pulled out the spray.
Okay.
Everybody else started clearing. I tried to calm him down. I even had Josh try to talk to him. He wouldn't calm down. I told him that today he was gonna go if he doesn't freaking damn cooperate. Finally, at one point, I said, "Hey, it's way too late for everything. Turn around, put your hand behind your back. Trying to do this as peacefully as possible."
Yeah.
Kept on resisting. Grabbed him, and it was on.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when I grabbed, Riley secured one hand, and then I was able to cuff it. But as we were trying to secure it to his back and get his second hand around, he rotated around and threw a closed fist at me.
Okay.
Did he hit you?
If he did, I didn't feel it.
Yeah, he didn't. I mean, he tried, but
I was able. I think because I don't remember him actually hit, but
what saved was me grabbing his legs.
yeah.
Because if I
But
didn't
then
get
he
his
grabbed.
legs,
But then he grabbed my mic. As you see, it's all stretched out. He grabbed my mic, trying to rip it off. And like I said, he kept. And then when we got him against the second elevator, he threw a kick. That one hit me.
Okay.
He threw a kick on me. And then we tried to get him, and like I said, we just kept bouncing back and forth with him until we finally got him on the ground.
Here's the thing, though, to think about. Should he be back racked or should he be taken to jail?
I mean, they can do that at the jail.
Okay, because he's
depends.
going to need some care.
Yeah.
There's something wrong.
Yeah.
And he definitely can't be with Gen Pop. They will destroy him.
No, they're going to put no. In this case, with this particular individual, they're probably going to put him in protective custody as soon as we get there. As soon as he gets out of processing.
I appreciate you coming. But yeah.
33.
So at what point did you come in?
So, I was in the garage, and then I heard the call saying that, hey, we have a disorderly. Can I get in any additional units? So I pulled it here, parked. I went like siren because it sounded like it was big. Pulled in, walked in. Like I said, he had him at pepper spray point.
Yeah.
And then he's like, and he said, all right, well, look, you're going to get put in cuffs.
Yeah.
So that's when I take out my handcuffs. Like I said, he wasn't cooperative. We tell him several times, hey man, put your hands down, put your hands behind your back. And then
What was he doing at that point when he was at pepper spray? Do you remember? Like
he had a brown paper bag with his phone. And he's cowering, he's backing away, and we're like, no, you gotta put your hands behind your back, put the cuffs on. And as soon as we reach in, he goes behind, like he squeezes through the
turnstile?
Yeah, the turnstile goes to the garage. And that's when we grab him. And Riley got one arm automatic, I got it, put it in cuffs, and that's when he like tucked it in and started like pulling away from us. And then like I said, we started dancing where the elevators are.
Yeah. We need to I'm thinking like disorderly too is being indoors, so we need to get statements from people inside.
Yeah, I'll talk to security.
Because force was used during the arrest, officers needed to collect witness statements as well.
Hi. Hey, I'm Officer Sanchez. I hate to bother you while you're making your sandwich. Did you happen to witness what happened here like 20, 30 minutes ago, at least where it started?
Yes, we were.
Okay, cool. Can you finish your sandwich and then just talk to me whenever you have a chance? Cool. I appreciate it. Oh, sweet. Hey, so just from your perspective, before it started, when the confrontation started, what happened afterwards?
Okay, so
I guess the guy, I wasn't here, right? So from what I understand, this all started inside the subway, or they were ordering in the subway?
it did not start in the subway. It
It did.
started right out here, right in
Okay.
front of those doors over there.
Perfect. So what
And
happened?
so what happened was there were some kids,
Okay.
and the kids were making some remarks about it.
About. Okay.
Yes. And he had an incident on my floor that I witnessed a couple weeks ago,
Okay.
where it was sort of the same setup. He was in the elevator with these guys. That's it. I will get there. Let's
And we're
focus on this.
just to make sure we're talking about the student and not the officer, right?
student.
The student specifically has had incidents on your floor that you're aware of.
Yes,
and
I witnessed
today
it. Then
there was
too.
and today there was definitely an incident involving another group of kids
Yes.
and him in this area.
So these were more juvenile kids, definitely
Okay.
smaller. So they don't really have a filter.
Okay.
And what I know is that anything will set him over the edge.
Okay.
And he believes that everyone's like kind of against him.
Against him. Okay.
And so because of that fact, he's very belligerent to everyone.
Okay.
I've tried to talk to him before in the elevators, and I don't get much.
Not good
And
vibes
so
or.
what ended up happening is that once those kids started making remarks, he obviously reacted back to them.
Okay.
And when he reacted back to them, he started getting more and more belligerent.
Okay.
And he ended up getting aggressive towards the kids.
In what way would you say aggressive? Was he yelling at them? Was he
He was
shoving
yelling.
them?
And
Okay.
then it's the same thing that he did to the first police officer here. He like jerks towards you,
Okay.
and he gets really aggressive, like in your face, like he's about to throw a punch or he's about to hurt you. And so he starts getting jerky
Okay.
and aggressive. And so that
Go
caused
ahead.
the kids to run out,
So they ran out.
and the kids ran out screaming because
Okay.
of course they'd be scared. And that's when he started walking away. The security guard
Alpha
came up.
223 537 01 8250. I apologize for that.
Don't worry about it.
Real quick, I'm just going to pause you right there. When he made a jerking motion, did he have his hands clenched? He kind of stepped up into someone's personal bubble like this?
Yes, that's usually what he does.
That's usually what he does.
Whenever he'll be getting aggressive,
With
he'll
both
do that.
hands?
He'll be like, oh, and I know he was holding something when it happened.
Got it. So, he was holding something. Do you know if it was his phone?
I think it was like a bag,
Just a bag.
like
Okay.
something of food.
But he definitely made, as if he was going to fight a bunch
Yes,
of juveniles.
he always puts in like the first motion.
Got
When it happened on my floor, he chased some guys out of the elevator and was acting the exact same way.
Okay. Then what?
And then when those kids ran out, he started screaming because he was very frustrated with everything. And then he started walking this way. That's when that security guard came and stopped him.
Him?
Yes.
Okay.
He also saw the whole thing.
Cool.
So you can talk to him if you haven't already. And so he went to go. He came here and he started talking to me like, "Hey, you can't do that. Like, I'm sure that these things happen, but
No, they haven't gone back to me on it. You can't. So he started telling him you can't do that.
yeah." He came here to talk to him, and then they were talking. He once again started getting aggressive because whenever someone tries to talk to him,
Okay.
like before, I think it was that man over there.
Okay.
He came down to my floor and he was trying to talk him out of being so violent, and he was getting violent towards him then. So he started once again raising his voice to that security guard, and then that was when the first officer came in. And when the first officer came in, the security guard backed up, and it was then just a confrontation between him and the first officer.
First officer was like a little bit taller than me, thick glasses, Officer
Yes,
Riley.
he had a buzz cut, grayish hair. Yeah, I've seen him here before. And he had his arms down like this, I'm pretty sure.
The officer?
The officer,
Okay.
yes. And he was just talking to him,
Okay.
trying to tell him, you need to calm down. And then that's when he started to crescendo a bit.
Okay.
And then,
I like the music terms.
thank you.
It paints a picture.
And so once again, he started raising his voice, getting violent, and then
Okay.
he started getting jerky, clenching his fists.
Okay.
And then he made the first jerk towards the officer.
When you say first jerk, what do you mean by that?
I mean, can I show you?
Yeah, of course. Show me. I don't mind. Just don't actually
It was
hit
like-
me.
I was gonna do it this way.
Cool.
And so he sort of just like jerked. He's
Like
"What are
that.
you doing?"
Okay. And I imagine
And
the
he
officer
steps
went
forward, and
hands
the
on.
officer backs up. He grabs his pepper spray,
Okay.
and then that's when he started. Once he saw that there was actual threat here, that he can't be trying to threaten the police officer.
Yeah.
He started backing up. He's like, no, 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 no. And then he kept on switching back and forth between no, no, leave me alone, and like, I hate you. He threw an F word out,
Okay.
and then it ended up moving this way,
Okay.
where I lost visual. and I had to make a sandwich. So
That's fair. So we'll start. So you saw up until that point where you made a sandwich, right? Just to kind of summarize it for my camera here. Right before the incident with the officer, you've understood that this guy has, possibly some mental health issues. He's always been very aggressive, very angsty, and he thinks that everyone's against him, right? Prior to the officer and security guard joining, there was a group of what seemed to be juveniles that were just talking mad smack, right? At some point, they might have been talking about the individual. You're not really sure. Individual took notice and started shouting at them and started making aggressive movements as if he was going to assault one of the juveniles, such as clenching his fist, kind of lunging towards him, such things.
Yeah.
Once that happened, the security guard got involved and told him to kind of back up until the first responding officer, Officer Riley, got in the way.
Yeah.
And then that confrontation occurred, where he also made a jerking motion to go and try to swing on Officer Riley.
Yeah.
And Officer Riley took out his pepper spray and engaged the individual.
And then continue from there to, I know my coworker saw him getting cuffed over there.
Yeah.
And then I was making sandwiches. I heard the taser go off twice.
Yep.
And then moving this way.
Did he actually pepper spray him?
I don't know, because
So we'll go with no then.
we'll go with no. I don't think he did. He threatened, but the guy backed away when he threatened.
I'll say this: if you had pepper spray go, none of us would be in this room. So
Yeah.
I don't smell it, so I'm assuming it wasn't.
I'm gonna
I've been
say
pepper
no.
sprayed before and it sucked. Delta 26 University Q copy of Florida 29 for a employee that witnessed the beginning.
What was your involvement in this? Let me ask you first.
The property manager, I guess.
Was she like ever like?
Jaylee's consistently been
I know.
here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can.
But like for this particular incident, was there like frustration or anything addressed towards you?
No, we just heard about the screaming, so we came down.
Okay.
For secondhand, I've heard somebody in the subway may have misgendered her, and that sparked it off. And then when I came down here, Jaylee was in the corner, and Riley was standing next to her, or like in front of her.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then everything started happening where things got louder. I tried to intervene just to calm Jaylee down, and then Jaylee just got worse, and so I was like, all right, I can't help you now, because now I feel unsafe.
Okay.
And so I backed off and just let Riley do his thing. Some people started to come by with cameras and stuff, so I kind of focused my attention to that, and I was just like, hey guys, can't be here recording, need you to move.
Hold on one second. So basically, just what you told me, just like your involvement in it, and like what you saw.
Yeah.
And that you told me that you saw her like escalating and you felt unsafe.
Yeah.
And it's important that you put that in there because basically she was being disorderly.
Yeah.
And that's why Riley wanted to intervene just to make sure.
Yeah. It was even at the point with her that like I was afraid to step in.
Like what can you tell me like
What I seen?
what you've seen and
So what's it called? So the dude had came in and it was like a group of kids sitting right here.
Okay.
So when he came in, like the kids started laughing, I guess, and like he didn't like they were laughing, so he was like, "Why you guys always laughing at me?" And the volume started going up.
Do you feel like the kids were laughing at him based off
I
of
don't
your
know, I don't
observations?
know
Or
if
you
they
don't
were
know?
laughing at him or not, because they were over there for like a minute talking to each other, so I don't know who they were laughing at. But I heard laughing, and then so he came in, and then like they started going back and forth, and the volume started going up. So that's why I came in to try to separate them. The kids started to go outside, and he was standing like
Delta 26
he was standing with
University
his
Q
back
copy of
towards-
Florida 29
his back
for
towards here,
a
facing the
employee
kids,
that witnessed
and he dropped
the
both of his
beginning.
drinks on the table and started to like chase the kids. So that's when I grabbed him and I put him back inside. And once I put him back inside, I had called the dispatch.
Okay.
And the dispatch was on the phone. And he was still going crazy. He was still talking crazy. So I had the phone on speaker. The dispatch heard everything, so you could hear the phone call. But when the dispatch was talking to him, the cop had came in, and then that's when the officer came in.
According to Jaylee's arrest affidavit, based on the statements provided by witnesses and due to Vick's disruptive behavior and breach of peace in violation of the Florida statute of disorderly conduct, so a misdemeanor charge of disorderly conduct was added to the list of charges she faced too. As Jaylee is transported to the Orange County Jail, she insists she didn't kick the officer.
Like the other cop was threatening me is the thing. He was the one threatening me. You didn't see the whole thing.
All right.
With pepper spray out of me for no reason.
Were you complying with his orders?
Why do I have to comply?
Because if you're given a lawful order, you have to comply, ma'am. All right, miss? You have to understand that. Like I said, you're right. I didn't see everything. I don't.
What if the cops are violating my rights?
When he whipped out the pepper spray, did he tell you to put your hands behind your back?
No.
He didn't.
believe so, but my memory could be mistaken. But please don't take that as lying. I'm just...
Well, no, the reason is because then he was allowed to take out pepper spray because you were refusing to comply with his orders.
I mean, he just whipped out pepper spray, and said he was going to spray me, and... at first he said he was just going to spray me, and he didn't...
Okay, but then when I showed up... Okay, so when I showed up...
But by that point, actually at that point, he was, already trying to put me in handcuffs, and I was just trying to speak to the building manager about it who was there. He was there, and I was trying to speak to him. And
okay.
He was,
University Delta 74.
But Riley was cutting in every time I tried to speak.
I'm not getting anything back for that name.
Force anytime I tried to
Are you sure of the spelling?
Okay.
I couldn't get anything through.
Okay. So, but here's the problem that I'm having right now. Okay, and I just don't think you're quite understanding where I'm coming from right now. I showed up and we ordered you into handcuffs. You did not comply. Then you physically started fighting us.
You attacked me. You guys attacked
I
me.
was just gonna put you in handcuffs. And like I said, we were talking about arrest. We were just trying to officer safety.
That's not what I heard.
Okay.
Handcuffs means arrest.
No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't.
Well, I didn't know that.
Okay, because like I said, I did not come to work.
I was trying to avoid getting arrested. I just wanted a chance to explain myself and talk and diffuse the situation, but they wouldn't.
But then so when we tried to diffuse it, you kept fighting. Yes, I did.
But he was misgendering me, and all he was asking was to just not misgender me. And just
we could have.
I have autism. It's hard for me to deal with those kinds of things. I just wanted mercy, and I didn't get a chance to talk.
So all of this.
Violence.
So all of this. So we went from 0 to 60 here. All of this for no reason. Ma'am, I did not want to arrest you today. Ma'am, I did not.
You guys went straight to force. Anytime I was trying to speak to a neutral third party.
Ma'am, once we get involved.
And you guys just use force to stop that.
Okay, so here's the thing though.
I was just trying to protect myself.
From who?
You.
We were not. All we were going to do was put you in handcuffs. That was it. We were not taking you. At that point, we were not taking you to jail. It is when you swung and hit me. You swung and hit me, and then that's when we had a problem.
You were tackling me.
Because I was just. And how many times did I ask you? And I asked you very nicely. Please put your hands behind your back. Please put your hand.
You could handcuff me and cart me off to jail. Don't think you wouldn't.
I wasn't.
I was trying to ask.
And I told you, for officer safety, I need to place you in restraint.
Riley is not looking for a peaceful resolution to this. He just
I
wants
was.
to suffer.
I was. How many times did I ask you before you got tased? How was I saying, please, this hurts. Please give me your hand. This will hurt. Please give me your hand. And did you do it? No, you kept fighting me.
I was grabbing onto the desk.
And I told you, let go. This is going to hurt you. Please stop. Please stop.
Too late.
But I didn't want it to get worse. That's the part you're not getting, is I didn't want it to get worse. You kept
fighting. You never said that.
Yes, I did.
You never said any of that.
I said, please stop. This is going to hurt. Please give me your hand.
So what? So I could get hard-carded off to jail anyway?
I wasn't going to take you to jail until you kicked me.
I didn't kick you.
Yes, you did.
No.
When you were fighting me against the elevator, you swung around. You almost hit me in the face with your fist, but I was able to dodge it.
No,
I got the camera.
You had me in a fucking chokehold.
I didn't have you in a chokehold. I was fighting.
I don't know.
I'm about to say, I was fighting with your wrist the whole time. Handcuffed.
Well, Riley had me in a chokehold because someone was choking me then. I was like, if I was kicking, it wasn't at you. It was because I was struggling to breathe.
Jaylee is held in the Orange County Jail, but is released on bond 2 days later. On February 10th of 2025, Jaylee pleaded not guilty to her charges. The case was reportedly bound for trial, but online court records show her case has since been closed. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Inside the Crime. I'm Elizabeth Millner, and we'll see you back here tomorrow with another case.